How to Meditate, Step-by-Step Beginner's Guide. Do you have issues with concentrating on your work or studies? Do you find your mind wandering all the time? Do you want to have a calm and focused mind? Do you want to meditate effectively, but do not know how to do it? If your answer to any of these questions is yes, you have come to the right place. Several studies indicate the benefits of meditation on mental and physical well-being. For example, research conducted at the Department of Psychology, University of North Carolina, and Charlotte, USA, found that meditation improves cognition and the ability to sustain attention. Another study, published in the International Journal of Stress Management, elaborated on the positive effects of meditation on handling pressure and its consequences in everyday life. So, today, I am going to walk you through the basics of meditation, a direct path to the optimal state of living. If you are still here, let us jump right into it. Step number 1. Set the aim. As John Novak explains in his book, How to Meditate, meditation is a straightforward method that can be performed whenever and wherever you are able to interiorize your mind. It's not based on dogma, belief, or ritual, but it's about experimentation and experience like science. As science is concerned to reveal the secrets of nature in the same manner, meditation is focused on to reveal the truth about consciousness. People decide to meditate for various reasons and with different intentions, and probably so have you. But to start the process of meditation, you need to set a clear target or aim that you want to achieve. You might wish to enhance your creativity, gain assistance in visualizing your objectives, or in managing your internal chatter, or to create a spiritual connection. Whatever your goal is, try not to overcomplicate it. Meditation at its heart is about relaxing and refusing to be caught up in daily anxieties. Step number 2. Find a quiet place. You need to find a quiet and noise-free area to meditate, whether it is in your home or somewhere else. Having an area that is used only for meditation is an excellent option. It will help put you in a meditative mood and will be filled with vibrations for meditation over time. It is essential that you should stop any potential distractions when you are beginning to meditate. Your noisy TV, radio, or mobile phone should be turned off to avoid any distracting sensations. The room you choose to meditate in must also be quiet, and no external noises should interrupt you. Turning on dim lights or burning a candle can be effective ways of enhancing your meditation experience. You can keep your sitting area very simple. All you need is a small cushion or chair. Step number 3. Comfortable clothing. If possible, wear some loose and comfortable clothing. Removing your shoes while meditating will also be helpful. It might not always be possible for you to change your clothes. For instance, in an office environment, you can simply loosen your belt or remove some of your upper garments and shoes and find some quiet place to sit in. This will soothe you and help you enjoy the meditation process. Step number 4. Relaxing your body. As one sits down to meditate, it is essential to make a powerful mental resolution to set aside all concerns with this world. Be determined to withdraw for a little while from all worldly activities. Start by relaxing your body. There are many ways of doing that, and learning to relax at will has advantages that extend to every aspect of life beyond meditation. A simple yoga posture would be very effective. Deep yogic breath. Start by standing straight with your arms by your sides. After relaxing your body, try to center your consciousness in the spine. You need to be fully aware of your breath. Try to take deep breaths from the diaphragm. Now, bend over from the waist without bending your legs and spine. Exhale completely while you are doing this. Allow your body to go down as far as comfortable, then wait there for a few seconds. Then, start to inhale and straighten up slowly. Slowly bend your arms towards the chest area as you inhale. Feel that not only are you breathing in, but also drawing the life force inside of you with each breath. Now again, wait for a few seconds in this upright position and then exhale and relax into the original standing position with your arms by your sides. Repeat this a couple of times to get your body fully relaxed. Step number 5. Proper posture for meditation. You need to hold yourself properly in order to relax your body sufficiently for meditation. The good news is that you should not worry too much about it. You just need to sit upright with the spine erect. Your shoulders need to be a little bit back, and your chest should be up. Your chin should be parallel with the floor. This sitting position helps the spine to bear the trunk weight. You can sit on a straight back chair or on the floor with your spine erect, but if you choose the former, your back should not touch the chair. In this sitting position, place your hands, palms upright, at the joint of the thighs. This should help keep your chest open and your spine erect. Your feet should be in a flat resting position on the floor. A cushion will be helpful if you sit cross-legged. Step number 6. Relaxing your mind. Relaxing your mind is as important for meditation as relaxing your body. Just like we relax our bodies and release body tensions, mental tensions should also be released. They can be caused by preoccupations about our past or future. If we were able to live and think just in the here and now, it would be very easy to stay relaxed and happy. Meditation can help bring us to this state of mind, but it is necessary to first calm down intentionally, and then leave it to meditation to relax the mind completely. The most effective way to control your mind is to control your breathing, a method used by the ancient yogis. Indeed, one of India's greatest gifts to the world is the science of regulating the mind through breathing techniques called pranayama. After relaxing your other body parts, now try to breathe this way. Inhale and count to 12 while focusing your attention between your 2 eyebrows, and then hold your breath for the same period of time. After that, exhale, and repeat this process until you feel that your mind is totally relaxed. Probably many people believe that in meditation, they have to force themselves to stop thinking, to block all their thoughts. But in reality, meditation is the opposite of this. It is not blocking thoughts, but watching them from an observer's point of view. Say, for instance, that suddenly the idea, "I need to buy food tomorrow," occurs to you. In itself, it means that you are conscious of a particular thought. However, if you react to it by feeling annoyed that you need to buy groceries, or thinking about what groceries you need to buy or when you will have time for doing so, you engage with the idea. Do not do it. The desired meditation state of mind means to observe, not engage with such thoughts. After a certain period of meditation, you will reach a point where your consciousness begins to move beyond the physical reality. You will become separated from your physical self when that occurs, and become an observer of your physical reality. The longer you meditate, the deeper the state and the greater the awareness that you will reach. Step number 7. Ending your meditation. When you are finished with your meditation, slowly relax back into physical reality. Start by being present in your physical environment, then become conscious of your physical body. This would take about 20 to 25 seconds, depending on your will. After that, slowly open your eyes. Feel your surroundings and get attuned to them. If you instantly open your eyes and attempt to resume your physical activity, it may be jarring and disorienting. Instead, you may want to continue sitting where you are and reflect on some of the ideas, emotions, or images that emerge during your meditation. You may also want to spend just a few minutes expressing appreciation for the things you feel grateful for in your lives. Have a nice meditation. Would you like to improve yourself even more? Make the most of yourself. Download our 10 scientifically proven methods by which you can speed up your learning. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and learn something new and useful week by week. Go for it.